I am sorry I didn't do an intro yesterday. That is so awful because I never said good morning Vlogmas day 12, I'm sure of that. But I am still at my folks. It's really lovely being here. I slept really well, which is so nice. Just cozied up to my pregnancy pillow. This morning we are going off to walk the dogs and then get a tree. So that's very exciting. And then we're gonna hopefully make some mince pies, and then I'm gonna see my lovely friend Anna, Coco Wawa Crafts, this afternoon. We're gonna go to Peter Jones is the John Lewis equivalent in Chelsea. I don't know why it's called something different, but it is. So we're gonna meet up and do some knitting, and I am wearing my dress, my marshmallow dress that she designed. So very festive today, and yeah, hopefully it'll be lots of fun. So enjoy. Good morning, Tickles. Okay, Christmas tree choosing time. Hops, can I push it? Hobbs! Hobbs! Hey, Hobbs, come back! Hobbs, come back! Don't go behind the thing. Thank you. And don't pee on every tree. Hello, I am just on the bus on my way to see Anna. And we are going to have a lovely knitting time together. It's so cold, but really like beautiful and cozy, and I'm going to show you the bridges now. Go on, Stephen, what day is it today?
Before I say, can we look at that dog?
I know, I've already been filming him because he's just so cute.
This is how you're supposed to sleep, humans. It's the 13th today.
It is, isn't it? I love how wonky the picture is behind you. It's so distracting.
The dog and the bird and boy. Boy makes 3. But looky there to find me. There, where? I already told you, but to look inside I'll have to unfold you. 1, 2, 3. What?
I know, it's quite cryptic.
Full cryptic crosswords.
It's quite
we never do cryptic crosswords.
It's quite
The
cryptic.
dog and the bird and boy makes 3. So I'm looking for a picture with the dog.
Oh no, you're really not.
No?
No. That's more about the thing, sorry.
So your clue is the present looks like this, and I've hidden it. Okay. So, no. Looky there to find me. There where I already told you.
It's clever.
Look key Is it key? No.
What else do I say?
The dog and the bird and the boy makes 3.
Okay, and what else do I say in the rest of the
But
poem?
looky there to find me. There where I already told you.
Sorry.
But to look inside I'll have to unfold you. 1, 2, 3. What do we need to unfold? Is it a book?
Yes, it is
It's
a
hidden
book.
in a book.
But, no, oh, no.
Oh, so the gift is a book.
Yes, I thought that's what you meant. But okay, so I've told you something in there already, so that's me going like, aha, I already told you, and I even tell you it again just because I'm nice.
Have you hidden it in?
No. It's a book-sized book. What do I say twice in the book?
You're just making a good Vlogmas video.
I think so, especially
Good.
by coughing.
Okay.
What do I say twice in there?
There.
Oh, do I? Okay, well I don't mean to. and?
Look.
Oh, do I? Sorry, no.
Worst clue ever.
Oh, no, just because you can't get it.
you say, oh, did I? Oh, I didn't mean to write that.
Okay, fair
Is
enough.
it in my drawers?
Oh,
Yeah,
but no, but why?
I don't. There's 3 drawers.
Oh.
But looky there. And boom. This is why writing clues for you is so fun, because you read into all these things. Oh my god, darling, you didn't have to get me a piece of paper.
How many drawers are there and what does it
There's 3, but I'm going to open all 3 of them and we're going to have a good look. So that
Okay.
the people at home can get a look around the house. Gabby got me a hairdryer.
Just for your beard.
Drawer number 3 has a little Christmas book in. Oh, that's awesome. It is awesome.
Oh, hobbles.
He's like bedtime YouTube.
Come on, show me.
It's the Peanuts Guide to Christmas.
Yeah.
I really like peanuts.
Yeah, you do. And see, it does make sense. So I'm saying the boy and the dog and the bird and the boy. So that's Peanuts, really, the main
Right, yes,
characters.
I should have guessed.
Yeah, makes 3, and then I'm like, oh, I've already told you that it's number 3 that you're looking for, and then I even say at the end 1, 2, 3.
Yes, that's true.
Please, someone reply saying that they got the clue. Oh dear. Okay, you can go to bed now.
Thank you, my head hurts.
Oh, I love you. Did you like your present?
Thank you, mate. Yeah, of course I do. I'm going to read it in bed now.
Yay!
It looks awesome.
Good, I want to be read to. And the bump, you can read to both of us.
Awesome. We'll do that now.
Okay. Night night.
Good night.
I've got my mommy for the advent calendar. Okay, right, dogs. Tigger is missing in action. I think she's a bit worried to come up. Come on, Tiggs. Okay, number 13. What? Oh, don't hop stick, because they're quite hard to get at. Tiggs, come on, darling. Okay, alright. Let's put you. Oh,
look at your advent calendar.
Okay, alright. Shake and take. Tiggs, come on. Up you come. Come on. Oh, just can you see her down there? Okay. There you go, sweetheart. Yay, day party. And tomorrow we're gonna cook mince pies.
We are, yes, mince
Yay.
pies, and we might do the tree too.
Yay, we're gonna decorate the tree. So we'll see you tomorrow. Lots of love. Bye.